We are in Monday mode over here. Get it, June?
Monday.
It is Monday mode in the house, and I wanted to share with you guys some house decor updates, also a little bit of unboxing. I got my Natasha Denonna package right there. A few other goodies that I wanted to share with you guys, and yeah, maybe a little giveaway. What? I got a little Fenty action here that I wanted to show you and possibly give away to somebody. Mondays, I like to just catch up around the house, kind of plan my week out, see what videos I want to film, and yeah, I'm mid-house decor updating right now. I feel like I finally figured out a style that I want. I have some Pinterest mood boards. I'll share some of my pinspos that I've got with you guys. I've got Pinterest inspiration images that I'm using to help me decorate my office area, which is the room I'm in now. I just got a couch. This is the new couch that I just got for my office room. This is technically the family room in the house, but I'm using it as a makeup room / office. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I think this rug is just tragic.
Okay, yeah. Okay, listen. The rug is old. I'm just using it for scope, mapping out the space, trying to figure out where rugs go and stuff. Coffee table, I'm thinking about painting it black.
This coffee table?
Yeah.
No.
This is Wayfair. I'm gonna be getting like a big plant to go over there. Cutting out gold, trying to eliminate most golds that I had going on. I did a lot of gold like 2 years ago. Finally making progress, feeling great about it. Watch out, Joanna, I've got eucalyptus. Watch out, Joe. That's real eucalyptus right there, okay?
He's coming for you, Joe.
I'm coming for you, Joe. So we're cooking dinner. We're cooking dinner together tonight, right?
Yeah.
We're having the
black bean pasta.
Yes. You guys requested to see it on Snapchat, so we're gonna do a little impromptu. So we're gonna do a little mini toot tonight of the black bean pasta with the ground turkey. And what you got in your hand? She picked up something, a new addition for it.
Oh, fire roasted corn.
Fire roasted corn. We're gonna be adding to it tonight. So.
Big day.
Big day. All right, this is a package that I just got from Fenty Beauty, which is, this is pretty cool. This is their Mattemoiselle lipstick. It's a giant lipstick tube, you guys. This is so awesome. So this product came out the day after Christmas, actually. Look at that. It's a little better than my video, but not much. So this is the full collection of the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipsticks. These have a really great formula. They went on super smooth. They have a matte finish. I really like this formula of lipstick. I highly recommend them. I'm actually gonna give this away because I have the whole collection already, so I'm gonna give it away in this PR box. If you're a fan of Rihanna or Fenty, or you just really like lipsticks, or maybe all three, then I think you're really gonna love this package. So after this video goes live, I'm gonna be doing it either on my Instagram or my Snapchat. So check out my Instagram or Snapchat to see how we're gonna be doing this giveaway. It's gonna be probably something very easy. So I'm obviously not gonna be swatching any of these, but if you guys wanna see the video where I swatched all these, I'll link it down below. Oh, excuse me, real eucalyptus. Let me just slide that over real quick. All right, this next package, I just got this from Marc Jacobs. It was in a massive box. I was like, oh my gosh, is this their new foundation? I don't know if you guys have seen their new foundation. It looks very promising. So I'm really excited to try that one out, but I don't even think they like launch it until the 29th or something. So we've got like a little ways to go. Do you guys like this couch? Sofas and area rugs are really challenging, I think, because it's like, when I get a sofa, I'm not trying to return, okay? I returned an area rug one time, a 7x10 area rug, and that was a challenge. So these are the liquid lip crayon. Oh my. So it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick in a crayon formula or a crayon package. Oh, wow. Wow. That went on really nice. This is the shade Send Nudes. I think if you have drier lips, or even like me, I have dry lips, but you know, I also talk about my crinkly cut lips. Sometimes liquid lipsticks can be like a little bit too heavy feeling on me. This is a pretty color too. Night Mauves. This one might be a little pink for me though. Look at that's so like creamy. Very opaque, very creamy. Burn notice. Okay, I'm excited to try these out. New formula, I'm into it. Next cool item is Natasha Denonna Diamond and Blush. This cheek palette is a hybrid of the classic Natasha Denonna Glow. Two different palettes here. There's a Citrus and a Daria. These are really pretty looking palettes. This is like one of those collector's kind of items, you know? This is Daria, which is more of the pink tones in here. So there is a glow cream base, a cream, is this really a cream blush? Oh yeah, it is, wow. And a duo glow. So it looks like 4 powders and then 2 cream bases. That looks like a powder, but it has like almost like, you know how ColourPop kind of feels a little spongy? That's what it feels like as opposed to like an actual liquidy cream. And then this is citrus. I have a feeling I'm more of a citrus kind of girl. I wonder what this Duo Glow looks like. Maybe it's not. Wow, it is kind of yellow. That's kind of cool, huh?
Do we have a retail price?
Oh, Natasha Denonna is expensive. Oh, $89. But I know ColourPop also has the really good shimmery stuff too. So it's kind of like, whoa, ColourPop is like $5. Natasha's like $89, you know? So here is the Glow Cream base. And this is the Duo Glow. I'm gonna put on top. Oh, it almost turns green on top of this one. Oh, it did turn green. That one looks cool. That is the diamond powder. I don't know how I'd feel about that on my face though. This is the Duo Glow by itself, which is that really cool yellow one. This kind of reminds me of something that's more of like editorial, perhaps. I don't know if it's for like everyday wear, but she also came out with these. These are the duochrome top coats. I just like that Natasha Denonna comes out with like different products, stuff we don't see every single day, you know?
I mean, motherfucking better for that price point.
Here, I got this awesome package from Goody. Look at this, they sent me some more elastics. These are the elastics that I use in my hair half up, half down video. I love using these for little ponytails. All my ponytails are little. And look, I got more 90s clips. Woohoo! One more thing I wanted to show you guys that I just got in the mail. It's over here. I wanted like a round, big round black mirror to put right there. I have some inspo images of what I want to do for this entryway. This is a lot of white going on. This isn't gonna stay here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. This mirror is cool because it has the black border, but it's actually made of rubber, so it's a lot more lightweight than a metal one. This is from allmodern.com. Right there. What do you think?
I'm sold.
Oh god. Got a little wood table here, maybe a plant right here.
Oh, yes.
What do you think?
Do the plant thing again. With your mouth, dear.
And now it's time for the one room that I feel pretty good about right now. John, your phone is just blowing up nonstop.
No, I'm hot. They're all on me.
Yeah. So my dining room table and chairs are here. The whole gang has arrived. You guys don't know Restoration Hardware. It took a long time to get my table. So I'm really happy that the table is finally here. The chairs arrived on time, so that was good. Look at this. This is like this is a mature chair, right? So I got two of the, I don't know if they're called captain's chairs, the head of the table chairs. I got two that have the armrests. They got a good bounce. This material supposedly is an indoor-outdoor material, so it's very durable. We'll see. I did a darker wood leg on the chair because I wanted a little bit of contrast between the floors, the table, and the chairs. I think if it was all matching or if it was all really similar, it would kind of blend together. So I like the fact that the chairs have darker legs. And then for the table, this one is the trestle table from Restoration Hardware. Listen, you guys, listen. I love the look of this table, okay? I really, really do. But in terms of it being a table, like this is a table where you sit and eat. This is raw wood, which I think looks really beautiful. It's not shiny, but if you spill on it, like it's gonna stain. There's been an incident. We don't talk about it. We don't talk about it. It was actually like the first time we all ate at the table. We don't talk about it. So I really, really like it. It's beautiful. You just have to remember, like, it's gonna stain if you spill stuff on it. They say you can sand it. That's what they said at the store. Like, yeah, you know, it's easy. You just sand it. Just wipe it down and sand it. But it doesn't feel like this is a table that I should sand. I'd probably get a different table, yeah.
Do you think we can return this?
This is kind of one of those tables that like maybe you don't eat at very often, but we actually eat here. Often. These placemats are from Crate & Barrel. They're just gray placemats, and the funny thing about these is they're actually like, if you spill something through it, it's gonna leak through here, so that's also not something that works on this table. But I love the color of the gray, and this is like my baby right here. These are actually, these are fake eucalyptus leaves. I got these stems from Michael's. I just put water in there because I'm a fraud. I want people to think it looks real, so I put water in there to make it look like it's real. This is from Target. This is a Hearth & Home, Joanna Gaines, gotta support my girl. I bought all 3 different sizes of them. I have them throughout the house. And this, John installed this. Hey, John. So when we first installed this thing was crooked. It was actually like it was loose, huh? And we thought the whole thing was broken, so we were gonna have to take it down and return it. But then we started taking it down and it fixed itself. Woo! And then this shelf, this is from West Elm. This is, again, in my glass and gold phase. I still think it's a really pretty shelf. It was over in the other corner of the house, but I moved it over here. I wanted something like tall and skinny and kind of like see-through to be over there. The decor isn't finalized that's on there right now. That's just kind of like stuff that I had like around that I just threw over there. So we're gonna paint that black so that way it goes with this and then the hardware and the rest of the kitchen. Don't look at the kitchen though, it's messy right now. My living room's about to get a makeover. This is from Crate & Barrel. The Presley rug. I bought a rug. I committed to a rug. That's like a really hard step, okay? But yeah, you know, we got birch, we got eucalyptus, we pretty much got all the necessities to be a farmhouse in here. I forgot to show you guys my stools. So these stools, I love them. I had to get something kind of slim because this is a walkway right here, but I wanted something with a back on it, so it was hard to find. I didn't want to get something too thick, but these worked out really great. Because John and I sit here a lot, and we work on our computer here, all sorts of stuff here. We eat here all the time. So these stools worked out really great. These are from Living Spaces. And I promised to show you guys what my mom is up to as far as cooking. So this is the ground turkey. You get the taco, pre-seasoned taco ground turkey, and then you cook it. What salsa did you put in here?
I put in a fire roasted salsa.
Fire roasted salsa. And then this is the pasta that she used. This is the black bean spaghetti. It's literally just black beans. Is there any tips that you have for cooking this? Some people said it falls apart if you cook it too much.
Well, it says 4 to 5 minutes, so.
So less than regular pasta.
Like 4, yeah.
And then over here, this is my new chopping block I got from Ironwood Gourmet. We're loving it so far. It's so big. Serranos, a shitload of onion. Cilantro, is this from the farmer's market?
Yes.
Yes. Tomatoes, avocado, some cheese, and some limes. And this is a salad with a lime olive oil dressing. Oh yeah. So do you think there's a difference between doing this black bean pasta than just having this over black beans?
It's a different vibe.
It's a different vibe. It's a story, but is it a movement? I already ate half my salad. You know what this salad tastes like, Mom? Soul Food San Rafael, their lemon garlic dressing. This is so good. What is it? Just lime juice and olive oil?
Yeah.
And
like
salt.
So little olive oil, I can't even tell you. Like
A lot of lime juice?
a half a teaspoon in this whole salad.
I saw you put salt in there. Don't act like you didn't put
No,
salt.
salt and garlic.
What was that?
Sunny.
I think this is the only good lighting I can get in here, but I'm craving a little dessert. I'm gonna have some of the fruit that we got from the farmer's market. Let's put a little bit of Cool Whip on top. Some
We
cool.
were eating so good today, and then you pulled out the Cool Whip. We just take care of that. You don't need to worry about that. You don't need those.
All right, we got the whole fam here. We're saying good night. Good night, Zoe.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Oh, terrible.
Good night, guys. Turn the fucking thing off, huh?
Bitch. Hey! Hey!
The fuck, man?
Cause we are the champ. Curbside pickup for Cran. Here we go. If you go like this, it takes forever on the Jeep.
Yeah, it does.
But if you do the little,
Yes, we're coming.
What are you seeing there, girl?
trying to find some. I haven't had salmon since the incident with Turks and Caicos, 2016. Here come the pots.
Second of those pots.
Second pots. Hi, Zoe.
We got a single shot of espresso on the
Espresso. It's not espresso.
Espresso.
It's not
It
express.
was half the